Miss na kita, that is, I miss you in English. Miss na kita. Miss na talaga kita, so talaga is an intensifier like really. So miss na talaga kita, like I really miss you. Miss na talaga kita, I really miss you. Miss na talaga kita. Miss na kita, that means I really miss you. It's double miss, so miss na kita, I really miss you. Hinahanap-hanap kita, I keep longing for you. Hanap is like look for, so hinahanap-hanap kita, I keep longing for you. Hinahanap-hanap talaga kita. So talaga is an intensifier. Hinahanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap talaga kita. Lagi kitang naiisip, I always think of you. Lagi kitang naiisip, lagi talaga kitang naiisip, I always think of you. Gusto kitang makasama, I want to be with you. Gusto kitang makasama in English, that's I want to be with you. And to add an intensifier, you can say gusto talaga kitang makasama. Gusto kitang makasama, gusto talaga kitang makasama. Hinahanap-hanap kita, I'm longing for you. Hinahanap-hanap kita or hinahanap-hanap talaga kita. Hinahanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap talaga kita. Wala akong ibang hinahanap kundi ikaw. You're the only one I look for. Wala akong ibang hinahanap kundi ikaw. Wala talaga akong ibang hinahanap kundi ikaw. Wala talaga akong ibang hinahanap kundi ikaw. Namimiss kita araw-araw, I miss you every day. Namimiss kita araw-araw. Namimiss talaga kita araw-araw. Namimiss talaga kita araw-araw. Kailan tayo magkikita ulit? When will we see each other again? Kailan tayo magkikita ulit? You can also say I miss you in Filipino. I miss you, so it also means the same. It's also accepted. I miss you. Miss na talaga kita, that means I really miss you. Like talaga is an intensifier. Miss na talaga kita. Miss na talaga kita.